Tired of pain slowing you down? What if you get healed faster without drugs or surgery? That's what the ML7 laser is for. Things that you may suffer from are chronic joint pain, stiffness, arthritis in your knees, maybe in your shoulder. A lot of times people will have old injuries that never seem to get better. You may have some muscle spasms as a result of that, sprains and strains ultimately. And it gets quite frustrating when you don't get better or when you start bouncing back and forth like a yo-yo with all of this. So the ML7 laser was created because it actually can help with all of this. It can help with the arthritic pain, can also help with tendon pain. Doesn't involve anything that's invasive. It's drug-free, essentially worry-free ultimately. You don't get any side effects from this laser ultimately. Now how this works are a couple of different things. First of all, it's an Class 4 laser that's been FDA approved, and it works at two different wavelengths. It has an 808 nanometer wavelength, which essentially is a continuous wave, and it fights inflammation. Then there's a 905 nanometer wave, which relieves pain, which relieves more of the chronic pain. Together, these lasers will penetrate deeply, and they stimulate healing. They also stimulate circulation too as well, and circulation is important because you want to increase blood flow to the areas of damage ultimately. The other thing it also does, it also blocks pain at the nerve level. So that actually helps with relief. Another positive aspect about this laser is that it also helps diminish the acute edema that sometimes can be seen in injuries as well. So essentially this tries to help heal the area of damage or improve the area of damage rather than simply hiding or masking it. And that's typically what we would see when you take medications that are prescribed. No medication heals anything ultimately, especially when it comes to pain-related issues. It's simply they just mask it, or they can cause other issues and side effects too as well. So the things that you can experience by utilizing this laser is rapid pain relief. You'll get less swelling and stiffness, as I mentioned, because it actually decreases some of the edema that you may experience. The other thing also is that you can get faster recovery for tendons and muscles. Ultimately, all of this would lead to better mobility. It's also drug-free and non-invasive, and actually can help heal with wounds and scars too as well. We've seen patients get progressively better with their knee arthritis by utilizing these treatments too as well. Athletes can bounce back faster too as well from injuries, and this also includes the weekend warriors too as well. And everyday people simply can feel like themselves once they utilize this treatment. So this laser is safe, effective, it's painless. So if pain is really holding you back, this actually can be a great option for you. A lot of times we may pair the ML7 laser with a regenerative treatment such as platelet-rich plasma, autologous stem cell therapies, as well as shockwave treatment because it works as a good adjunctive treatment too as well. There may be cases also where you actually may need some of the regenerative treatments ultimately combined with the laser treatment in order to get to the result that you want. But the laser in and of itself can provide a ton of relief for you. You don't have to do it with any drugs, any surgery. You don't have to utilize any steroids as well. If this is something that you find, if this is something you think would be beneficial to you, we'd be more than happy to see you, and you can give our office a call or find us on prolohealing.com.